Hi, this is Sanadip Madhu. I've come up with another video. This time is all about traveling tips towards Science City with the help of metro. Recently inaugurated metro, Orange Line from Satyajit metro station till Science City metro station, which we call it Varun Sangita metro station. And Satyajit metro station is hardly around 1.8 km from my home Madhuvila. At the same time, Master Shudrashan metro station is also 1.6 km from my home Madhuvila. Master Shudrashan metro station is in blue line and Satyajit metro station is in orange line. Today I am going through orange line Satyajit metro station. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Of Satyajit railway station. It is just 200 meter away from Highland Park.
So I have started ascending the staircase along with escalators, and gradually I was about to enter the Satyajit metro station with my card, Kolkata metro card. And then after entering, the escalator was not running, so I took the lift, and then I went upstairs and reached the Satyajit metro station platform.
From here, this metro station, you can see this building. This building is very old, 1992 building. It is, you can see this building from my place Madhuvila also, the top of this building. Also from Bagajatin railway station also you can see this building. And this is Satyajit metro station. So this building is very old. The construction started in 1992. And this building is I think the topmost building in Bagajatin. Basically Satyajit railway station, metro station is actually Bagajatin, I think an extension of Bagajatin railway station only, because Satyajit metro station and Bagajatin railway station should be linked in all form. I don't know why they have not linked this. And there, from here you can see the TV tower. TV tower, the DD Bangla Doordarshan. I don't know whether you can see it now. Let me further see this TV tower. This is DD Bangla TV tower, which is in Gol Green. That is also nearer to my home Madhuvila, around I think 1 or 1 kilometer around I think. So it is in Gol Green. So TV tower you can see it, and this building. I'm waiting for the train. The train is coming. See, from distance you can see the train is coming.
So the train is coming as if the train is moving like a snake on the rail line, and slowly and gradually it is moving forward, coming towards me on my platform, and finally it has come.
So I'll sit over here, and from there you can see I'll get a proper view.
Station Satyajit Ray. Station Satyajit Ray. Station Satyajit Ray. অনুগ্রহ করে গাড়ি এবং প্ল্যাটফর্মের মাঝের দূরত্ব খেয়াল করবেন। কৃপয়া পরবর্তী স্টেশন জ্যোতিরিন্দ্র নন্দী, মুকুন্দপুর এলাকার জন্য প্ল্যাটফর্ম বাঁ দিকে। अगला स्टेशन ज्योतिरिंद्र नंदी, प्लेटफॉर्म बाएं तरफ। The next station is Jyotirindra Nandi for Mukundapur area. Platform is on the left side.
दरवाजा बंद होने के समय बाधा न डालें। बाधा डालने पर ट्रेन पूछने में विलंब होगा।
So this is Santoshpur Stadium. So Santoshpur Stadium is a football stadium, and the nearest metro station is Jyotindranath Nandi metro station. So in this stadium, it organizes various marriage ceremony events also. And I had the occasion of attending one of my friends' marriage ceremony in this place, Santoshpur Stadium. Here in Mohun Bagan football, Mohun Bagan team actually plays in the Mohun Bagan or East Bengal probably. Mohun Bagan stadium is in Salt Lake Stadium, and East Bengal probably this is the stadium, Santoshpur Stadium. Most very nice stadium, open air stadium. Not big like Salt Lake Stadium, but Santoshpur is also very nice to visit. You can buy tickets from Book My Show. And here you can see lot of skyscrapers. So this, as if this entire metro train is flying in the sky. So
স্টেশন জ্যোতিরিন্দ্র নন্দী
from this Jyotindranath
স্টেশন
metro station,
জ্যোতিরিন্দ্র নন্দী
stadium,
মুকুন্দপুর এলাকার
this
জন্য
stadium is very
স্টেশন
close,
জ্যোতিরিন্দ্র
around I think
নন্দী
300-400 meters away.
স্টেশন জ্যোতিরিন্দ্র নন্দী ফর মুকুন্দপুর এরিয়া। অনুগ্রহ করে গাড়ি এবং প্ল্যাটফর্মের মাঝের দূরত্ব খেয়াল করবেন। कृपया गाड़ी और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच की दूरी का
Since this train, this orange line is not completed till airport, so there are
स्टेशन
I mean there is less crowd over here. Once it will be
মুকুন্দপুর
connected to
এলাকার
airport,
জন্য
then there will be lot of crowd.
স্টেশন
The
জ্যোতিরিন্দ্র নন্দী
same line will go to Nico Park also, Nico Park,
Station,
then City Center 2 also, and ultimately will be connected to Jai Hind Airport
অনুগ্রহ
Metro,
করে
Netaji
গাড়ি এবং
International.
প্ল্যাটফর্মের মাঝের
Airport.
দূরত্ব খেয়াল। পরবর্তী স্টেশন কবি সুকান্ত কালিকাপুর এলাকার জন্য প্ল্যাটফর্ম বাঁদিকে। अगला स्टेशन कोबी सुकांत कालिकापुर के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म बाएं तरफ। The next station is Kobi Shukanto for Kalikapur area. Platform is on the left side.
दरवाजा बंद होने के समय बाधा न डालें। बाधा डालने पर ट्रेन छूटने में विलंब होगा। दौड़चा बंद और समय बाधा देगा। बाधा ट्रेन से छूटने में विलंब होगा।
See from here, so many skyscrapers. So this is bypass. Actually, in 90s, this road is called VIP road, and on this road, this metro line, orange line, has been constructed. So right now, this line we say New Town line. It will go directly to Salt Lake and then connecting to New Town, Rajarhat, New Town. So very renowned places of 90s like Nico Park, as well as I think probably Aquatica also it will reach, and then connecting to yours airport. And prior to that, there will be more shopping malls places like City Center 2. After City Center 1, from green line thing I think, this orange line has
Station
City Center 2
Kobi
connection as
Shukanto
well.
कालिकापुर এলাকার জন্য। স্টেশন কোবি সুকান্ত কালিকাপুর के लिए স্টেশন কোবি সুকান্ত ফর কালিকাপুর এরিয়া। অনুগ্রহ করে গাড়ি এবং প্ল্যাটফর্মের মাঝের দূরত্ব খেয়াল করবেন। कृपया गाड़ी और प्लेटफॉर्म
So there is next stoppage is Ruby General Hospital. Ruby now it is not General Hospital, it is Cancer Hospital. So in Ruby area there are 3 hospitals: Ruby General Cancer Hospital, Desun Hospital, wherein possibility of helicopter landing is there, and the third hospital is called Fortis Hospital. So there are 3 hospitals in Ruby area. The Ruby General or Cancer Hospital place is called Hemanto Mukhopadhyay Metro Station.
प्लेटफॉर्म बाईं तरफ। The next station
So these are old buildings of 90s, and these are the newer buildings post 2020s I think. Modlin and all these.
दरवाजा
And these skyscrapers are recently built.
बाधा डालने पर ट्रेन छूटने में विलंब होगा। दौड़चा बंद और समय बाधा देगा। बाधा
This is the new hotel, Modlin. London has been written. London, yes, I think. Anyway, so Vivanta Hotel is also here. Vivanta is very old, I think 2010s, pre-2010s era. And this is Vivanta Hotel. And just, I think on the crossing of Ruby, this is age-old Ruby General Hospital. It says now time, everything will be mentioned. 31 degrees Celsius.
Station Hemanto Mukhopadhyay.
So this Ruby place is called Hemanto Mukhopadhyay, as I've already told.
Station Hemanto Mukhopadhyay. प्लेटफॉर्म बाईं तरफ। Station Himantho Mukhopadhyay. Platform is on the left side.
So here in pre-2010s era, there will be ITC, Sonar Bangla, and along with that, post-2020s, there will be ITC Royal Bengal, just adjacent to ITC Sonar Bangla. So you can see it, and the magnificent view of ITC Royal Bengal will completely mesmerize it.
Agla station VIP Bazaar.
So this is next stage is VIP Bazaar. This bazaar is very old bazaar of 90s. We used to come here and do various marketing. Now this place is not known for marketing, but so you can see the internal and petrol pump station. It is having an electric charging station. This petrol pump station name is Ultimate Petrol Pump Station. There are so many skies. See Fortis Hospital also you can see from this place. HP Hindustan Packard or South City Business Park also is here. This is not South City of Jadavpur, this is South City of Ruby. Big skyscraper you can see. We concentrate here only. The next stop will be, I think, the Science City.
Station VIP Bazaar.
Oh, VIP Bazaar is coming. So as I was telling, the VIP Bazaar is very old bazaar in 90s, and it is very cheap because in those days VIP road was not that much congested, or there were less habitants, and therein this was the only bazaar wherein everything was available. So very famous bazaar in 90s, and thereafter a lot of improvements have taken place in and around this place. So this market is not famous for marketing, but because of his usage in 90s, his name is very much popular amongst us. So based on that, a station has been created on Orange Line, and that's it. And thereafter there will be Science City, and Science City is also a place of science in 90s, and it is completely upgrading itself. And in 2025, it has a lot of newer scientific as well as technologically upgraded entertainment devices. So I'm going there. I'll get down that place, and you can see the skyscrapers from here. So many skyscrapers. So I'll go down to that place and try to take a ropeway ride, and let's see how far I can able to achieve. And I'll return back on the same line, get down at Satyajit, that is Highland Park, and we'll go back to my home, Madhuvila. So you can see a lot of grids still existing because it is actually outskirt of Kolkata. It's an extended Kolkata, and still this high extension grid line has not been disrupted. Probably in the future they will do it. And now the Forum Atmosphere building is coming. It has a connection. Basically, Forum Atmosphere building is famous for two-storied building getting connected at the top of the building. And on the top of the building there is a swimming pool and restaurant probably. But I have not seen in Book My Show any possibility. In Book My Show, possibility of getting an entrance to that restaurant. So this is Ritwik Ghatak. Ritwik Ghatak is just adjacent to Forum Atmosphere, and thereafter there will be Science City. I was little bit confused, and I was thinking that Ritwik Ghatak is the Science City place. Anyway, there it is. This is also having a showroom of Mercedes-Benz. So let's see. much improvement in terms of constructions have happened over the years. For past, I think 90s and this is 25. I think for past 35 years, lot of skyscrapers have been constructed on this line, VIP line, and you can see while the metro is moving, you can see the skyscrapers, and you will be completely mesmerized. It is a treat to the eye. See, such a big building, and I'll show you the Mercedes-Benz showroom also. This is Mercedes-Benz showroom.
Platform is on the left side.
They should come up with some sort of premium segment taxi hiring possibility through Uber. Anyway, they have not come up so far. So this is Forum Atmosphere building. On top of it, there is a swimming pool along with restaurant. So this is Science City, age-old Science Cities of 90s. You can this hemisphere, through this hemispherical dome, you can understand the existence, or in fact the nearness of Science City. So it is already written Science City. So I passed out from high school science in 2004, and it has been 21 years so far. An amazing experience, and prior to we are about to reach Borun Sengupta, which is Science City, and I believe that there should be a connecting subway or flyover from Borun Sengupta metro station to directly to Science City. And this is ITC Royal Bengal, and prior to that just below is written ITC Sonar Bangla. So ITC Sonar Bangla and ITC Royal Bengal, both are completely connected. I did my IIT from IIT Madras, and that time ITC Sonar Bangla was there, and thereafter I did my IM from IM Kozhikode management, and thereafter ITC Royal Bengal has been constructed. So I believe that ITC Sonar Bangla is a resemblance of, or is in fact the connecting building of IIT Madras, and ITC Royal Bengal is the connecting building of IM Kozhikode. So you can see JW Marriott also. And this is the grey age-old dhapa wherein wastage is being put, and on top of it mushroom culturing or agriculturing is being done, and we get the mushroom at a very lower cost. So this is Borun Sengupta Science City metro station, and I'll get down here, and that's it. Stay tuned for more updates. Doors are opening on the right. So that's it. You can see a lot of things are there. I have a lot of stations names have been given, starting from Kobi Subhash. Kobi Subhash has a blue line connection, and it is connecting Master Sujosen. At present, Kobi Subhash is on commission, or is on renovation stage. So right now the train is coming from, I think, only nearer to the place Satyajit metro station, and from there Jyotindranath, Kobi Shukanto, Hemanto Mukhopadhyay, VIP Bazaar, Ritvik Ghatok, and this is the place Borun Sengupta. You are here, Borun Sengupta. Here it is not writing Science City. They should write Science City in bracket or below, because Science City is more renowned than Borun Sengupta. So I think this is the lacuna. The metro station name should be connected with the famous places. So here in Borun Sengupta metro station, just nearby, that is Science City. So let's see how far I am able to reach, how far I am able to capture the video. So, and thereafter till Beleghata, a connection is till Beleghata, and thereafter there will be Gaur Kishore Ghosh, Nolbon, IT Center, Nobodiganto, Nojrul Tirtho, Shopnobhor, Vishwa Bangla Convention Center, then Shiksha Tirtho, Mother's Bag, adjacent to Mother's Bags, that is financial hub of Kolkata. Thereafter Eco Park, Mongoldeep, City Center 2. City Center 2 is I think post 2010 City Center, and then Chinar Park, VIP, and then airport. So this line is still on construction phase, and we are here at this place, Borun Sengupta. So probably in the future, probably in I think this is in November. So probably I think in 2026 only this line will be commissioned. So let's hope for the best and let's move ahead.
So I have taken the escalators to escalate down the metro station, Borun Sengupta Science City metro station. Finally was able to get out of the metro station and got out of station and reached the main road. From there I had to take a long walk because there was no immediate subway connecting Science City. So had to take a U-turn and then had to cross the road with the help of traffic police, and finally was able to reach the Science City gate number 1, entered the gate number 1, and then
I'm going to catch this ropeway. So the security persons told that it will be at the last.
so slowly and gradually I was moving towards the ropeway, which is at the last of the Science City, by passing all the Science City auditoriums or other entertainment places inside Science City, and finally reached the counter and bought the ticket through QR code payment, and finally waiting for the ropeway. And when the ropeway came, I went inside.
It has come, ropeway bucket has come. See, it is firmly tightened. So probably it will not break. Action. So this is the, probably I'll sit here. So finally placed in this bucket. So now all settled, the door has been closed, waiting for ropeway to start. It has started. Now we'll be slowly moving up, and you can see a new building is coming. From this place we'll be rising up, and let's see. So see the hemispherical dome, the ITC Royal Bengal, and this famous Space Odyssey building. I think the adjacent building is the Space Odyssey, and you can see the metro station line connecting Science City metro station, Borun Sengupta metro station. So here it is so nicely connected. The view is amazing. Only because of this view, I think people take the ropeway ride. Lot of skyscrapers, PSG, I think, PSG Group, and then ITC Shonar Bangla, then ITC Royal Bengal. From here you cannot see the name, and then JW Marriott. So you can see the view. And you can see the Science City. And this is, I think, the Maidan. I think herein the food festival used to take place around 2016-17, and 2025 I don't know the situation. Food festival, just the tent like structure you are seeing therein, Minol Mala ground, or I think Pragati ground. So from here you can take a lot of views recorded on your smartphone, and once you take this ropeway, you will be completely get out of this Science City. You will be parked outside the Science City, and this is the amazing view of Ranadeep. So you can see the thing. So we are getting out of Science City right now. I think this is the best attraction in Kolkata. You can see lot of skyscrapers along with this metro station line, ITC Sonar Bangla. So many skyscrapers have come in and around Science City. I think this is the ropeway of Czech Republic, in fact Prague, and probably I think Switzerland. If you compare, then I believe this is the best ropeway. In India, this is happening, and such a scientifically advanced place having a ropeway view will give you absolutely feeling of bondage with our country India forever. So that's it. I will now take a ride towards Satyajit Metro Station, Highland Park, catching Borun Sengupta Science City Metro Station Metro train. Huh? Oh. So that's it to get out of this place. So finally out. So finally out of this place.
So finally out of Science City, and I was about to take a metro train towards Satyajit Metro Station from Science City Metro Station. So that's it. If you feel like giving a thumbs up to this video, please do so, and please subscribe my channel, Ronnie's NDT. Bye.